JoJo Gnome had been given some very special magic seeds by his friend Fatima Fairy as a present. "Thanks so much, Fatima," said JoJo, pouring the seeds out onto his hand. Fatima smiled. Inside the packet were 3 large seeds, and they were all different shapes. "That's odd," said JoJo. "Usually seeds in a packet are all the same." "I know," replied Fatima, "but these seeds are magical, and each will grow into something quite special and different." JoJo Gnome looked puzzled. "Look, I'll show you," said Fatima. "Get a pot and some soil, JoJo." So JoJo Gnome went and got the pot. Fatima popped in one of the seeds. "Right, now water the seed, JoJo," she said. So JoJo got out his watering can and added water to the pot. Right away the seed burst into life. It grew, and then it started sprouting leaves. And there were buds, and the buds grew bigger and turned into lollipops. "A lollipop bush? Is that really a thing?" said JoJo Gnome. "Oh yes, I imagined it when I was planting the seed and it grew into a lollipop bush." Fatima smiled. "Right, I'm going to try it," said JoJo. He planted a seed in a pot and shut his eyes tight and imagined what he wanted the plant to grow into. Fatima added water and whoosh! Up popped a plant covered with bubbles. And as JoJo Gnome watched, they all flew away. "It worked!" said JoJo. There was one seed left. Now what would that one grow into?
At Kinross Primary School, this is what we thought JoJo Gnome might grow. With his seeds, a trophy tree, a cake plant, a pie plant, and a teddy plant. These are our ideas. What would you pick? We love JoJo Gnome.